68 years of hiccups. A man once hiccuped non-stop for 68 years, turning an everyday annoyance into an unimaginable ordeal. His name was Charles Osborne, and what started as a simple hiccup in 1922 never stopped, lasting until 1990. He tried every remedy you can think of, holding his breath, drinking water upside down, even seeking medical help, but nothing worked. Doctors estimated he hiccuped up to 40 times per minute at first, slowing down to 20 times later in life. Imagine going through your entire day, every day, for decades, with your body constantly jolting. Osborne managed to work, raise a family, and live his life, even as the hiccups just kept coming. This accidental world record made him famous, but it also shows just how strange and relentless the human body can be, a simple reflex that refused to let go, no matter what.